Temperatures are plummeting, minus 10 degrees Celsius. They'll both be gone in 15 minutes if we don't move.
Elijah, get the skiff inflated now. Chloe, I need those thermal readings confirmed again. Hypothermia is setting in fast. Mark, confirmed.
Mark, confirmed. Animal core temps are dangerously low. We have maybe 12 minutes before...
Line secured, Mark.
Be advised, ice is thinning rapidly past 50 meters. Stay low.
Copy. Elijah, moving out. Visibility is maybe 30 feet. I'm on the ice. Moving fast. Countdown clock starts now.
"15 minutes is all you have. If the Eagle's core temp is below 30, handle it gently. Minute wait.
You feel that tug, you stop.
I pull.
Don't push your luck out there, brother. I'm making progress, slowly but surely. Mark, do you copy?
You're on a localized weakness. Redistribute your weight, slowly.
Easy, boy. I'm not here to hurt her.
Just my hand. No weapons. Just help.
I know you're protecting her. I understand. We need to go home.
Easy now.
It's frozen solid. Like lifting a block of granite.
Good dog. He's safe now. We got him.
Come on, buddy. That's your ride. Time to go home.
Elijah, this is Mark. Subjects are secured. Initiate tow, slow and steady. We are ready for transit.
Elijah, pull! Now! Now! Got it, Mark. Hold on. Keep it coming, Elijah. Just 20 meters left. You've got the momentum.
Blankets. Oxygen. Quick heat. Okay, steady. We're safe now. Just hold still, sweet dog.
Here you go, bud.
It's stable. Minor soft tissue damage, no fractures. A few weeks of careful monitoring, and he'll fly again.
You saved him, didn't you, boy? You held the line against that storm. Loyal guardian.
Team, confirm minor soft tissue damage. Subject is stable.
Ready for transport and IM.
Good strength. Time to see then. Time to see the sky. Welcome home, Guardian.
Go on, big guy. Show them what freedom looks like.
Look at that wingspan. Incredible.
final salute. That's a good sign.
You did good, boy. You saved your friend.
Mission accomplished. We saved 2 lives today.